In this video, I will show you step by step how you can save a view once photo or video in WhatsApp. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to our WhatsApp, and then you want to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Once you do this, click on settings, and then you want to select chats. Now once you select chats, you will need to go to the bottom, click on chat backup, and here is where you want to click on the backup button. Once you click on this, it will take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes just to back up your chats. And then from here, to locate the view once photo or video, we need to head on back, go over to our files, and then you want to locate or search for Android. Once you do this, you will then be able to select the Android folder, click on media, and then once we select media, you want to go to com.whatsapp. Once we select this folder right here, select WhatsApp, and then from here you want to go to media, and here is where you want to find WhatsApp images and WhatsApp video. Select the one that you want, and here is where you will then be able to locate the view once image or video. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.